2nd April, around 5 o'clock. I am going to cook chicken liver. Paul likes it. I like it. Nelia and Sasa not so much. So I'm cooking for Paul and myself. So the ingredients are garlic, onions, black pepper, and teriyaki sauce, and chicken liver. You may use soya sauce, but it's better to use this kind, teriyaki. It has a different taste than a soya sauce. Soya sauce is more like strong taste. This one isn't. Oh yeah, and I forgot the other important ingredient. Yeah, so butter is important to this cooking. So I bought this, or we bought it. We bought the butter and teriyaki sauce from Pure Gold. I think you can buy it from Central Mall, SM. But that's where we got it from, Pure Gold, Roxas. Here I mince 4 cloves of garlic, 5 small pieces of these kind of onions, cut thinly. And you do this because you want to do this quick. If you cut the onions too thick, it's too long to cook. So I tend to cook quick. So I'm going to cut the chicken liver, cut them into small pieces. If they're too chunky, again, it takes a while to cook, so you want to do this quick. Don't want the chicken liver to burn. For the frying equipment, use one of these non-stick. It's better. You don't want the chicken liver to stick to the pan. You don't want that have to scrape off the crud. So this is the right tool for this cooking. So add pepper and then the garlic and then heat it up and then dump the butter after. So I am not showing that because I'm just by myself. So add a dusting of pepper and then the garlic. There, garlic is added. Okay, butter is added. Now turn on the stove. And let the butter melt, and it will fry the garlic and pepper. So now the garlic is getting that color right there. So time to add the liver. Now, cooking the liver is fairly quick. This whole process takes less than 10 minutes. You can see it's smoking hot. So let's just stir it up. You can tell the liver is cooked once the skin is turning sort of barbecue looking or fried looking skin. If you have it chunky, it takes a while for the chicken liver to be cooked, and if it's kind of not cooked, it's kind of squishy or mushy inside. So when you bite into these things, when it's properly cooked, it's kind of chunky. There's meat to it. So the chicken liver is looking caramelized. So that's when you add the onions. Okay, stir a few times. Then add the teriyaki sauce. So not a lot, but that's enough. And then stir it. If it's your first time to cook this, you should do a trial. Do it in small steps. A little bit of chicken liver, not a whole whack of chicken liver. Still, it's not wasted. Just recook it. And again, re-caramelize the onions. 1 minute of this. Actually, you can tell by when this thing begins to stick to the pan, or you can start to smell some burn. If the pan is not too hot, the juices from the chicken liver begins to leach out, and that's yucky. You want this cooked quick with high heat. You don't want the chicken liver to, run gooey. That's why don't cook too much. Because if you cook too many chicken liver all at once, it begins to run gooey. And it's a sight to behold, unappetizing. So you want it to be appetizing. The smell. Okay, done. It has that consistency. Okay, it's done. There's a little bit of sort of burnt looking, but it's not burnt. It's just that the teriyaki sauce is give it that burnt look. Eat it with white rice, and it's really tasty. So hope that you can make the same and enjoy it. If you don't like chicken liver, don't bother this menu. It won't be good. So here it is. Really, really tasty, especially with white rice. Yummy. Hope you can cook them like I did.